Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. This morning, as usual, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget that if you've been wanting to unlock some fantastic research tools, TipRanks Premium is now available on a monthly subscription, so head over to the website to check that out. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the red this morning as investors brace for another interest rate hike from the Federal Reserve. Currently, Dow futures are down 0.84%, S&P 500 futures down 0.88%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.97%. Also dropping this morning is cryptocurrency Bitcoin, who's fallen to lows not seen since back in June. The popular crypto is down nearly 6.5% within the last 24 hours, trading at $18,644. According to a news website in Spain, Amazon has suspended construction of new warehouses until 2024. The news site said that Amazon had told its providers and partners to wait and see as pandemic-driven online shopping has slowed down. In a statement emailed to Reuters, the U.S. e-commerce giant said that our commitment to Spain remains, adding that in 2022, the company has new logistics stations, Amazon Fresh Hubs, and logistics center in Spain. With 38 analyst ratings, the Amazon stock comes in as a strong buy with an average upside of 43%. Chinese electric vehicle company XPeng has rolled out a city navigation guided pilot program. They become the first Chinese auto company to introduce high-level advanced driver assistance system or ADAS functions for complex urban driving scenarios. As part of the XPilot 3.5, City NGP will be first made available on the premium version of their XPeng P5. It will require a 7-day familiarization period and 100 kilometers of driving before the functions can be used on all available roads. Analysts currently rate the XPeng stock a strong buy with an average upside of over 200%. Shares of Bluebird Bio are rising in the pre-market after they received approval from the U.S. FDA on their gene therapy Skysona. The therapy is targeted for the treatment of cerebral adrenoleukodystrophy, which is a neurodegenerative disease. This is the first approved therapy by the FDA that has demonstrated a slowing of progression of dysfunction in boys with CALD, which is a fatal condition. The therapy is expected to be commercially available by the end of this year. Analysts do currently rate the Bluebird Bio stock a hold with an average upside of 7.7%. And shares of Valneva are sliding in the pre-market as they end their COVID-19 vaccine collaboration. They'll be ending their collaboration with IDT Biologica, taking into account order and inventory levels for their VLA 2001 vaccine. The move comes on a reduced European Commission order, and now, after suspending manufacturing, Valneva will pay over $36 million in cash to IDT. Analysts currently rate the Valneva stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 98%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. Another fairly quiet week for earnings, but we do have a few big names reporting later this week, including General Mills, Lennar, Accenture, Costco Wholesale, and Darden Restaurants. In the pre-market this morning, we have heard from Autozone, who reported stronger than expected results. For the company's fourth quarter, their earnings per share came in at $40.51, $2 ahead of the analyst estimates. Revenue jumped over 9% year-over-year to $5.36 billion, also coming in ahead of analyst expectations. Their CEO stated that the investments we have made in both inventory availability and technology are enhancing our competitive positioning. We are optimistic about our growth prospects heading into our new fiscal year. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 9.7%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by KnowBe4 after they confirmed they received a proposal from Vista Equity Partners to purchase all of their outstanding shares at $24 per share. Trading under the ticker KNBE, the stock is currently up 22.5%. They're followed by Wix under the ticker WIX, up over 6%, and Apellis Pharmaceuticals under APLS, up 3.74%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by the ever-tumultuous AMTD Digital. Their stock is now down following massive growth last week. Trading under the ticker HKD, their stock is down over 9.5%. They're followed by Take-Two under the ticker TTWO, down 5.6%, and Borg-Warner under BWA, down 5.35%. So that is going to be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great Monday, and I'll see you back here next time.